The program that I'll be teaching is heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. The advantage of the HVAC program is it will provide students with an entry-level training to get a job when they graduate from high school or to go ahead and continue their education. First of all, safety. That's foremost. Hand tools, power tools, basic electricity, air conditioning, installation, refrigeration, repair, and troubleshooting. The benefit of choosing Dr. Archie L. Blanson CTE High School, those benefits include we have a lot of state-of-the-art equipment. We have chillers, commercial units, residential units, all of that available for hands-on training. It allows the student to do a couple of things. First of all, they can immediately start an entry-level position working for an air conditioning or refrigeration contractor. Also, it gives them a leg up if they decide to pursue a certificate or an associate degree in that same field. For the graduates of this program, the future is bright. Houston is one of the most air-conditioned cities in the world. There are many contractors, a lot of jobs available, and this will give them an opportunity to earn a good living and take care of themselves. By completing the HVAC program, students have the opportunity to become an air conditioning installer, an air conditioning serviceman, service technician. They could work for a school system, a hospital, or an office building in the maintenance department, maintaining the air conditioning systems. Upon completion of the program here in Aldine Independent School District, a student could expect a starting salary of $41,000 per year. With additional training and experience, that does go up. I don't have an exact number, but you could end up being a service manager or a contractor yourself.